When you've first been charged with a crime, you're facing the weight of the government, whether it's a state charge or a federal charge. They have all of the money, all of the resources. These charges and convictions can have life-lasting impact and consequences. It can rip your entire life apart, and that's what you're up against. It's a very scary thing to be charged with a crime. All you have is the decision-making power to find the right attorney. We can give you information. We can guide you through the process. Most importantly, we can provide a strategy for how we're going to deal with these charges. There's a lot that the right attorney can do for you. And the beauty of retaining an attorney is that you get to make that choice. Because when you're charged with a crime, you now have the scarlet letter. And it's my job to do my very best to have that stain removed from you. Because society will look at you differently.
Bill is invested in the people that he represents. You have to feel comfortable. You have to believe in the person that you're working with. And Bill Bly is passionately driven to do the very best he possibly can for whoever he defends. Anybody who works with him can rest every night knowing that you're going to get the very best. When looking for some peace in my life and a place that I could reach out and grab onto, I guess you're going down the street and reaching out for the vine to grab onto, this was it.
The law is extremely complex. I'm a big believer in specialization in one field of practice. If you want to defend people's liberty when their lives are on the line, then you need to put all of your energy and focus into criminal defense. And that's all I do. Law enforcement is not perfect. The prosecution is not perfect. But when you're facing the weight of the government with all of their resources and you have no one to turn to except the right attorney, and that's the person that will act as your shield. And I'm going to stand between you and the government, and I'm going to make sure that you're treated fairly and that we're going to defend each and every aspect of the case in a vigorous and aggressive manner so that we can get you the best possible outcome.